For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. It's May 2022, and that means it's time for another PC build. Hey guys, I'm Wise from ystech.org here, and today I'm going to be doing a PC build. So let's get straight into it. This build comes to $1,502.84, and that's actually a little bit cheaper compared to last month's build, which was $1,587 with similar parts. Do keep in mind we have gone with a better CPU for this month, and we've done some subtle compromises here and there between the parts, but I'll go through them one by one. Also, it's good to point out that the new AM5 socket will be coming out later this year, so that's something to keep in mind, and new graphics cards should be coming out later as well. So prices should fall again later on, but that's yet to be seen. That's just my guess. So first of all, let's go over to the CPU. I've picked the i5-11400F, and it's a 6-core processor. It also has PCIe 4.0, which is also great to have with newer graphics cards, considering that some of them only have 8x bandwidth. This one comes in at $243 from Extreme PC or $245 from Computer Lounge. Definitely a good offering at this price range for the 11400F. It's definitely really good for gaming with the 6 cores as well. You'll be able to do a lot of productivity tasks as well. It's great to see that on a cheaper CPU. Now, compared to AMD's 3600 or 5600, it's around $50 to $60 cheaper or $70 cheaper in some instances, so it's definitely a great option. For the motherboard, I've gone with the ASRock B560M HDV. It's a micro ATX motherboard, and it comes in at $159.85 from PBTech. This motherboard sits in about the mid-tier of motherboards of B561, so it doesn't come with a VRM heatsink. It has PCIe 4.0, which is a plus, 4 SATA, and 2 DIMM slots for RAM. Overall, it's a good budget board, and you're not going to be overclocking in any case with the i5-11400F, as it's not unlocked. I believe you can do some memory tuning and overclocking, but again, it's just a basic board. If you guys want to go for something better, like you're going for a unlocked CPU, such as one with a K at the end for Intel, then you can pick something better from the B560 line, or a Z590 board as well would be good to pick for overclocking. But in any case, this is a good budget board. For RAM, we've gone with the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 gigs. So this is 2 sticks of 8GB at DDR4 3200 CL16. Comes in at about $117 from Extreme PC or $129 from Computer Lounge. There's also the Kingston Fury that can come around the same price. It usually goes down to $115. So either kits will be perfectly fine for this CPU and motherboard. I wouldn't have anything to complain about it, and it's 16 gigs, so you got plenty of headroom for using all the tasks you want on your computer, or as many Chrome tabs as you want as well. Again, a solid kit of RAM for the price. For the storage, I've just gone with a single Samsung 980 500GB M.2 NVMe SSD. Comes in at $92 from Extreme PC or $94.99 from PBTech. It's a good M.2 drive, NVMe drive, and you know, for the price below $100, it's a pretty good value for money. There is the 970 Evo, which is even better, but the 980 will do you perfectly fine. Now, if you do need to get a hard drive, one from Western Digital or Seagate will do you fine for under $80 for a 1TB one. And if you want to, and you only want to put your games on a hard drive, for example, you can get a secondhand 1TB hard drive easily off TradeMe for $30 or so. But just keep in mind not to put any of your personal data on the hard drive if you're going to get it secondhand, as you know, secondhand hard drives are more susceptible to failure because they've been used for a long amount of time. So that about sums it up for storage. Let's head over to the graphics card. So again, I've gone with the Gigabyte Radeon RX 6600 XT. It's an 8GB card, and this one comes with a triple fan cooler, which is quite a bit for such a lower TDP card. I'd say it's good, but yeah, it's triple fan. Comes in at $598.99 from PBTech. That's currently at a normal price of $598. I don't really know how long that's going to last, but that has come down significantly in price. Under $600 for 6600 XT is an amazing deal. Under $650 is perfectly fine as well. One of the main reasons I did go for this graphics card is because the main theme of this build is bang for the buck. So there are slight compromises here and there, although on this one I don't believe it's a full compromise. It's just the price is a lot lower for the same performance, hopefully. But yeah, at this price range, the 6600 XT in my opinion is pretty much unbeatable. The next tier above this is the 3060 Ti, and those are still over $800. So, you know, it's kind of a no-brainer at this price point for this type of graphics card. It's a really good value for money and bang for the buck at the moment in New Zealand. For the case, I've gone with the Fantex Eclipse P300A. It's a mesh front panel case and it comes with one fan. It comes in at $107.69 from PB Tech, and that's not too badly priced. Fantex makes pretty good cases, and this one is a ATX mid-tower case, so it's a little bit larger, which is awesome to see. I personally have not built on this one, but I have built in a P360A, which comes with two fans, but that one's about $140, and that one is pretty good quality. So this one should be as well. If you guys are looking for some other cases, the Corsair 4000D Airflow as well is really good, and the Silverstone Farah R1 is also pretty good as well to consider. Now there are a whole range of different cases at different price levels, but for bang for the buck, I'd probably say this hits the nail on the head, being under $110, and you can get it for cheaper. I think that's an awesome case that comes with a power supply shroud, a glass side panel, and mesh at the front for you to add some fans for some airflow later on. An awesome pick if you guys ask me myself. Lastly, we've got the power supply, so we've gone with the MSI MPG AGF 650 watt gold certified power supply. It's fully modular, $169 from Extreme PC, and I've seen it on a tier list from the LTT forum, and it looks okay. For $169, it's not too badly priced. This is fully modular, so that's an option. One cheaper down from it is the Silverstone DA650G, fully modular gold rated power supply from Computer Lounge, $149. Another one is the Fractal Design Ion gold rated 750 watt 80 plus from Computer Lounge, $169 as well. Personally, I would probably go for the Fractal Design one just because it's 750 watts compared to the 650 from the MSI, but either one should do you perfectly fine. Lastly, there's the Corsair RMX 650, $199, a bit pricey at the moment. If these come down to $150 again, then they'll perfectly be good to go. So that kind of totals the build up to $1,502. And I hope this video is a little bit shorter compared to the other months. I hope that helped you guys out, and make sure you can check out ystech.org for latest post reviews and much more. See you guys there at ystech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.